vast green fields yield nature's bounty. Grown in vast outdoor hydroponic ponds, the water spinach flourishes under optimal conditions. Precision machinery effortlessly harvests water spinach, ensuring peak freshness. Freshwater spinach embarks on its journey, transported by a fleet of modern, climate-controlled vehicles. Advanced robotics swiftly transfer pallets of freshwater spinach to the processing line. American factory workers monitor every precise step of the automated unloading process. A continuous flow of freshly harvested water spinach begins its journey through an automated cleaning process. The colossal vortex washing machine gently agitates the water spinach, removing impurities. This multi-story marvel uses powerful whirlpools for a thorough, yet delicate cleanse. Automated systems precisely control the washing cycle, ensuring optimal cleanliness. The gentle force of the vortex ensures every leaf is pristine, ready for the next stage. Clean and vibrant, the water spinach emerges, prepared for further processing. Advanced optical sorting begins, ensuring only the highest quality water spinach proceeds. High-speed optical scanners meticulously examine each leaf, detecting even the smallest imperfection. Precise jets of air instantly remove any identified imperfections, ensuring perfect quality. The journey continues for the perfectly sorted water spinach, pristine and ready for the next stage. This state-of-the-art optical sorting line operates with incredible speed and accuracy, and a marvel of automation. Advanced systems continuously monitor and refine the delicate water spinach sorting process. Precise adjustments are made, ensuring peak performance and optimal product quality. Advanced automation precisely trims each water spinach stalk, ensuring uniform length and pristine quality. Thousands of synchronized microblades make instantaneous, clean cuts, shaping each stem to exact specifications. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The journey continues as perfectly trimmed water spinach embarks on its path to final packaging. Automated precision feeds the trimmed water spinach into the colossal separator, initiating a marvel of physics. The mighty separator begins its rapid rotation, harnessing centrifugal force for meticulous separation. Heavier, hollow stems elegantly exit onto a dedicated, high-speed conveyor belt. Two separate streams of perfectly sorted water spinach now continue their journey on distinct paths. Powerful motors and precisely engineered gears drive the centrifugal separator's colossal rotation. The perfectly separated water spinach stems are pristine, ready for their next processing stage. From a single stream, precision engineering now yields two distinct, perfectly sorted components. Advanced machinery precisely cuts each stem, transforming raw produce into perfect rings with unmatched efficiency. Each cut is flawless, creating uniform rings that cascade onto the conveyor for further processing. The dicing line operates with relentless efficiency, a testament to modern food processing. The continuous, rhythmic motion of the dicing line ensures a steady output of consistently cut produce. A relentless stream of perfectly separated stems ensures the dicing machine operates at peak capacity. The continuous output of perfectly diced water spinach signifies the unwavering efficiency of the automated process. Precision machinery transforms the harvest, ensuring uniform cuts for optimal quality. Trained eyes ensure every piece meets the highest standards. Amidst the roar of automation, human oversight remains crucial for perfection. Precision engineering guides freshwater spinach into the advanced blanching tunnel, a crucial step for optimal quality. Automated systems ensure a seamless, high-volume flow into the immense 100-meter-long tunnel. uniform blanching, preserving the water spinach's vibrant color and nutrients. Observe the freshwater spinach, perfectly separated and ready for its transformative journey inside. This impressive 100-meter tunnel stands as a testament to modern food processing efficiency. Inside the blanching tunnel, precise temperatures instantly intensify the spinach's vibrant green. This swift, controlled thermal process locks in freshness and enhances natural vibrancy. Every stage is meticulously monitored by advanced sensors and control systems. Emerging perfectly blanched, the spinach is now ready for the next phase. The blanched water spinach is now impeccably prepared for packaging. Blanched spinach enters the cryogenic cooling chamber, where advanced technology preserves its peak freshness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Harmless nitrogen vapor flash cools the spinach, locking in essential nutrients and crisp texture. This state-of-the-art machinery ensures rapid cooling, preserving the quality without compromise. The flash cooling process is critical, maintaining vibrant color and firm texture. Automated precision ensures every piece of spinach is uniformly cooled to perfection. The flash-cooled spinach is now ready for packaging, retaining its garden-fresh quality. Precision engineering ensures every portion of water spinach is perfectly weighed. The automated packaging process begins, a symphony of precision and speed. Precision weighers prepare the perfect portion of freshwater spinach for each package. Each package is expertly sealed, locking in freshness and quality. Dozens of robotic arms work in perfect synchronicity, an intricate dance of automation. From hopper to package, quality control is maintained through every automated step. This colossal operation ensures fresh produce reaches consumers with unmatched efficiency. Nitrogen flushing ensures every bag of water spinach remains perfectly fresh. After flushing, precision sealing preserves the pristine freshness within each package. Each package is now hermetically sealed, ready for the next phase of quality control. State-of-the-art X-ray technology meticulously inspects each package for absolute safety. Precision robotics now handle the final packaging, ensuring every product is perfectly cased. With inhuman speed, these machines accurately transfer the packaged produce. Each bag is placed with flawless accuracy, optimizing space within every case. Advanced laser etching ensures every package is perfectly traced. Every detail is digitally logged for quality control and consumer safety. From the field to your table, quality is ensured at every step. In the final stage, colossal robotic arms meticulously stack sealed cases on the pallets with unparalleled precision. Layer by layer, cases are arranged into stable, interlocking cubes, ready for storage. Automated guided vehicles swiftly transport the finished pallets, ensuring seamless logistics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.